DESY Innovation Factory. This is the new place in Hamburg for ideas and innovation. 11,000 square meters for deep tech entrepreneurs, for knowledge and technology transfer, for companies looking for proximity to DESY's research infrastructure. One building close to the campus offers offices, workshops, and laboratories. And right on the science campus, another building for the DESY Innovation Factory, for startups, cooperations with industry, or applied research projects. Science as a driver for innovation. The DESY Innovation Factory is the center for life sciences and new materials, for brilliant solutions of tomorrow, to accelerate insights from science into application. The place where visions turn into reality.